Hello children, are you fine? Yes, I am Sunil Harinkede, Subject Assistant English, Diet Gondia. Dear students, today we will learn about Subject English of Standard 4th, My English Book 4. And from this book we will deal with page number 53, and that is building sentences. म्हणजेच वाक्य कसे तयार करायचे, कसे बिल्ड करायचे. ओके, so let's learn about building sentence. Here we have house number 1, house number 2 and house number 3. We have 3 houses, and in these houses there are some parts of sentences. Let's see what are they. The lion, the mouse, a cat, a dog, Amit, Nina, a few men, some children, and in second house slept, ran, jumped, climbed, walked and fell. In the last house there is under the tree, to the wall, from the tree, on the wall, on the mat. So we have to join one word or one phrase from one house, second house and third house. So from first, second and third house we are going to join the words, phrases and make new meaningful sentences. Okay, so how we can make? Let's see. Choose one word from each house and make meaningful sentence. म्हणजेच प्रत्येक घरातून आपल्याला एक शब्द किंवा फ्रेज सिलेक्ट करायचे आहे आणि नवीन अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य तयार करायचे आहे. चला तर मग पहिल्या घरातील शब्द, दुसरे घर and the last house. Okay, so how we can make? पहिल्या घरातील the lion, the lion. From second house slept, and from last house under the tree. So the new sentence is the lion slept under the tree. Okay, so this is our meaningful sentence. Now we will try to make new sentence by selecting different words. Amit from first row, climbed on the wall. The sentence is Amit climbed on the wall. Now some children fell under the tree. So in this way we choose one word or phrase from each house and make meaningful sentences. Okay, so here we have also 3 houses and same words and phrases. The lion from first house walked under the tree. The lion jumped on the wall. The lion climbed on the wall. The lion walked from the tree. The lion ran to the wall. The lion fell under the tree. The lion walked to the wall. The lion slept on the mat. So in this way we just select one word from first house and different words and phrases from house number 2 and house number 3. So अशा प्रकारे आपण 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 वाक्य, अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य आपण फक्त द लॉयन एक वर्ड सिलेक्ट करून आपण तयार केलेले आहेत. ओके, इज इट इंटरेस्टिंग? आहे ना मजेदार? म्हणजे आपल्याला काहीही न करता फक्त इकडले वाक्य आणि फ्रेजेस सिलेक्ट करायचे आणि नवीन नवीन वाक्य तयार करायचे. येतील ना तुम्हाला तयार करता? अजून पुन्हा आपण प्रयत्न करूया. द माऊस फ्रॉम फर्स्ट हाऊस फेल अंडर द ट्री. द माऊस jumped on the wall. The mouse climbed on the wall. The mouse ran from the tree. The mouse ran to the wall. The mouse slept under the tree. The mouse walked to the wall. The mouse slept on the mat. म्हणजेच आपण द लॉयन, द माऊस यासारखे फक्त एक एक शब्द घेऊन आपण वाक्य तयार करतो. अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला अ कॅट, अ डॉग, अमित, नीना, अ फ्यू मेन, सम चिल्ड्रन या प्रकारे सुरुवातीच्या घरातील शब्द घेऊन तुम्हाला नवीन नवीन वाक्य तयार करता येतील. ओके, अगेन now we are going to make different sentences. A few men slept under the tree. Nina jumped on the wall. Some children climbed on the wall. A dog ran from the tree. A cat ran to the wall. The mouse slept under the tree. A few men walked to the wall. Some children slept on the mat. So in this way we can make different sentences with selecting a word from each house. Now children, try to make bigger sentences by choosing 2 items from 2 different houses and you can add end word जर तुम्हाला गरज असेल तर. म्हणजेच आतापर्यंत आपण एका घरातून एक एक शब्द निवडत होतो, पण आता आपण 2 घरातून 2 आयटम्स निवडून आणि जिथे गरज असेल तिथे एंड वापरून मोठमोठी वाक्य तयार करू शकतो. कसे तर बघा, एका घरातून अ फ्यू मेन अँड पुन्हा त्याच घरातून सम चिल्ड्रन स्लेप्ट अंडर द ट्री. म्हणजेच आपण पहिल्या घरातून अ फ्यू मेन अँड सम चिल्ड्रन अशा प्रकारे 2 आयटम सिलेक्ट केलेला आहे, अँड ऍड केलेला आहे आणि एक नवीन मोठा वाक्य तयार केलेला आहे. ओके, नीना क्लाइम्ड अँड अमित स्लेप्ट अंडर द ट्री. ओके, in this way we can make more bigger sentences by using different items from different houses. Some children and the mouse climbed on the wall. A dog and a cat ran from the tree. The lion walked and the mouse slept on the mat. The mouse and a cat ran from the tree. A few men and Amit jumped to the wall. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारे आपण वेगवेगळी अर्थवाक्य तयार करतो. ओके, नाउ इट्स युअर टर्न. हाऊस नंबर 1 हा तुमच्यासाठी. I will, we will, you will, she will, he will, it will, they will. House number 2, sing, study, live, play, wash, paint, speak, write, make it. House number 3, tomorrow, today, tonight, on the day after, today, later, tomorrow, at once, soon and later. आणि यांना वापरून तुम्ही अर्थपूर्ण नवीन नवीन सेंटेन्स तयार करायचे. ओके, teach sentence building. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. We will meet again with different content and different page number. Okay, thank you, bye.